In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust slippage. Slippage in Phantom. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the world of crypto, understanding how to control slippage is a crucial step in managing your transactions more effectively and ensuring you get the best possible value for your trades. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Phantom app on your device. If you haven't already logged into your account, make sure you do so. Login ensures you have access to your balance, your tokens, and the full suite of features available to you. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your home page. Here, you'll see a clear overview of your crypto balance, all the tokens you currently hold, and the various options Phantom provides, such as receiving, sending, swapping, and buying crypto. These features are your gateway to managing your digital assets with ease. To adjust the slippage, we need to focus on the swapping feature, so go ahead and click on the Swap button. This action will take you to a new interface specifically designed for trading one token for another. In the top right corner of this swap interface, you will notice a small icon. This is the key to accessing more detailed settings. Click on it to open the settings menu. Once inside the settings menu, the first thing you'll want to do is disable the auto slippage feature. This step is crucial because auto slippage can result in transactions not being executed at the value you might be expecting. Disabling it gives you the freedom to manually set the slippage percentage based on your preferences and the current market conditions. After disabling auto slippage, you will now be able to select and adjust the slippage rate according to your needs. Adjusting the slippage rate manually allows you to fine-tune your transactions, giving you control over how much price movement you're willing to tolerate during an exchange. This can be particularly useful in volatile markets, where prices can change rapidly. Remember, though, a higher slippage tolerance might help your transaction process faster, but it also means accepting more price variability. Once you've set the desired slippage rate, click Confirm to apply your changes. And that's it! You've successfully adjusted the slippage settings in your Phantom app. By taking these steps, you ensure that each transaction is executed in a way that aligns with your strategy and risk tolerance, enhancing your trading experience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps make your crypto trading smoother and more efficient. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.